You go see Grandma?
Go see Grandma?
Go see Grandma?
Okay.
You want to fly on an airplane?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll go fly on an airplane to go see Grandma. Who else flies airplanes? Hmm? Uncle Tom flies airplanes. Yes, he does. And you got to ride an airplane to go see Grandma, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, did you go see Grandma's house?
A picture? Picture?
Yeah, it's your picture. You say cheese.
To see Grandma. Go see boy? Go see boy? Go see boy?
Yep. Where's your airplane? Where's the one Grandma and Papa John gave you? Can you show me? Oh, can you fly it?
Wow.
Oh, good job.
A bingo.
Where'd it go? There it is.
A bingo.
I don't know. Where'd it go? There it is.
What is it? Uncle Tom Prince.
Yeah, Uncle Tom flies airplanes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, are you going to ask him for a ride when you get older?
Oh, just
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, you can ride it with Uncle Tom.
Harder.
Or maybe you'll be a pilot like Uncle Tom and you can take him for a ride.
Wait it.
Yeah.
Wait. Open Dad.
Yeah. Can you say hi, Uncle Tom and Aunt Sharon?
Hi, Tom.
You say hi, Sharon?
Hi, Sharon.
Say hi, Grandma, and hi, Papa John.
Hey, Papa John.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
You say love you.
Hey, Grandma.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Grandma.